Hi everyone and welcome to my Sattvic kitchen. If you are entertaining over this festive holiday season, then I've got the perfect little appetizer for you. Utterly delicious, these caramelized onion and mushroom parcels will leave your guests asking for more. Begin with prepping the stuffing. In a skillet over medium heat, add some butter. Once heated, add the sliced mushrooms and sauté for about 5 minutes. Add the chopped garlic, mix well, and sauté for another 5 to 7 minutes until fragrant. Time to add the dried herbs. I am using dried oregano, paprika, some salt to taste. Mix well and cook till the mushrooms are golden brown. Once done, turn the stove off and keep it aside. For the caramelized onions, heat some butter in a skillet. Add the onions and salt. Saute the onions until they begin to brown. Add a pinch of sugar. Then reduce heat to low and continue to cook, stirring occasionally until deeply golden and caramelized. So for about 25 minutes, remove the onions and set them aside. Roll out the puff pastry evenly. I am using a store-bought puff pastry here. Using a pizza cutter, cut the sheet into equal size squares. Carefully spoon the onions and mushrooms to the center of the sheet. Top it off with some cheese. I am using vegan cheddar here. Then top each square with another sheet and gently press using your fingers from the sides. Pinch the edges firmly with a fork to seal. Using a knife, cut small slits on top of each of the parcels. Lightly brush with milk and bake at 180 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes until the parcels are golden and crisp. Once done, remove from the oven, let them cool off a bit, and serve warm or at room temperature.